Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made this DIY textured wall art. I've seen a lot of these DIY textured wall art on Pinterest or on YouTube actually, and before I tackle that 24 by 36 canvas that is behind me I wanted to try it on the 12 by 16. The first thing that I did is look for inspiration for this artwork, and Pinterest is the best place to look for one. I found this lovely textured artwork made by Mary M. Art, and I thought the colors were lovely, so I gave this one a go. Because I don't know how much spackle I will need, I got a gallon from Amazon that cost me around $30. I think it's also a great investment because there are holes in the walls in our apartment where, I might actually gonna be needing it. I also got these acrylic paints from Michaels and will be mixing them to make a grayish color. I tried two methods to make this art, which is letting the spackle dry before painting it and mixing the acrylic to the spackle then painting over it. I think mixing the acrylic to the spackle works a lot better for me because when I try to paint a dried spackle, there are air pocket holes that I can't get to, and since it's a spackle, whenever you add liquid to it, it kinda gets destroyed, so mixing the acrylic to the spackle is a better strategy for me. To make this texture, I actually just used a spoon. I also used the small spatula, but for the most part, the spoon is the ideal tool to make this wavy petal-like texture happen. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going for when it comes to the pattern of this art, but I think what's important is that you're having a great time doing it and listening to a music that you like. I think that really helps set you in a mood for doing this kind of project. As you can see, this actually has a thick layer of spackle, so I need to let it dry overnight so I can paint over it the next day. Once it's completely dry and ready to be painted on, I mix the same colors that I added to the spackle and blend it on the dried canvas. As you can see, spackle's color kind of fades once it dries, so if you want a more saturated color, you really need to repaint it. If you are painting on a spackle, make sure that you are also using a super soft brush because a medium to a hard brush can actually tear it. That's what I've learned when I tested it on a different canvas a couple days ago. And these are the brushes that I use to paint on the dried canvas. One of the advantages of painting over a spackle is that the acrylic will actually give your art the gloss that you can see on oil paintings. If you want a matte finish in your spackle texture art, you don't need to paint over it. So to make sure that we are clear, the spackle, when it dries, it will only give you a matte finish even if you mix it with acrylic beforehand. Get it? This is how it looks like after the acrylic paint, but I want it to be a lot glossier. Glossier. So I got this Krylon Gloss Crystal Clear Spray to seal and finish the job for me. Please just use this outdoor and wear a mask when applying it because it kinda hurts your lungs. So there you have it, guys. That is my DIY wall art, textured wall art. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know if you learned something from it. Please let me know if you have any question. Let me know as well. Write it down in the comment section below. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!